teachers will let down their hair, relax, chillax, and take a dive. Unleash and unwind.
You go on YouTube, dog.
Ladies and gentlemen, follow us, accompany us, join us, party with us, have fun with us. It's Teachers Day.
So peeps and peeps, so you just see two of my mad colleagues, you see me? Real people, the Jules Runaway Bay, Teachers Day setting. You know, so right now I'm hungry. I look some food, find the nearest bar, and then I eat that. Right now I'm there beside one of my bad charge, Scotty British. I say me, I say, Mama, chat to them no man. Tell them.
Hey, what's up?
Say hi subscribers and viewers.
Hi subscribers and viewers.
Teach them to big up on yourself.
Big up Teach.
Yeah, and that's what I say.
And as you were saying earlier, I told
you see the mad one here already.
I told you.
You understand? I love the camera.
Yeah, my friend Teach large.
I have a next friend you're saying about she can't fit in a frame.
Large,
so she have to stay out. Tira, big up yourself. Oh, she can't try fit in a frame. Yeah, yeah. The businesswoman, you know, I'm busting up on her product in her line. Tell them what your product name. Tell them for the source.
Yes.
Tell them what you
All
have.
about my different natural soap. We need everybody for support. Everybody.
So, you soon see them things up on the channel. You see me, I say? Right over there at the grill, cook some food. You understand? If you don't have to put something in the tank before you start drinking some liquor, you see me? We should have a Teachers Day every term. So, for the part. Yeah, as I said, so showing how place look on the beach side. Nice and pretty. That's clean sandy beaches, coconut trees flapping in the wind. You understand what I say? This is the right time. Right now we're there at the bartender and done up something for you. See what I say? So I go on and run up, you see me? Peeps, you know, come out of the court. You don't want to do a diggy crowd thing, so kind of they down on the beach side, you know, pre-walk go on. You understand, as me I say, bartender make with something. He not tell me I want steal, but mellow, you see me I say? So right now, you know, do a Teachers Day and I working, you see me I say? So right now I want to get some footage, show to the people, you see me I say? Yep. People, you know, jewelry setting, so make a one shot go by water parks. You see me? We have, you know, we backpack close to everything, skydiving, you understand, scuba diving, snorkeling, whatever it is, we're ready for, you see me? So, let's see what I go on over here, you see me? Yeah, man. So, see the place, you see me? Nice and easy, see me? Oh, I don't want to feel like I feature Scotty too much. Scotty, I'm my sister from work. You see me? Big machine. You see me? Real linky. Scotty, hear the people, them, man. Yeah, so I say, one of my next sister, William Jr. You understand? Yeah, man, manners and respect, man. Then the water park.
Say something about good body, Ali.
Ali, your skin almost clean. You understand? So she come from, we up in our hills up, so she kind of, you see cool climate, you understand? You know, if a donkey not really bite her. You see me? Yeah. So I make a one small walk through water park. You understand? You know, a tubing section, slides them. You understand what I say? Don't know what thing go. Place nice. See me. Food spot on. Bar them. About 4 bar over here. Restaurants. About 3 or 4 of them set here. You understand? Family type settings. And surf with your family. Enjoy the water park. Enjoy everything. Swim up bar, the beach, everything. I'm not going to none of the room them still. You understand? You know, so one girl invited me to her room earlier, but she never serious. I'm ready in a piece. You understand what I say? You know, my two sisters them play TT. You see me? They not add on the TT still, but they not make that trouble them. You understand what I say? Watch her. She don't know what I go on there, so I know she don't know my ball reach. You understand? Nakita, bless up all our Westwood people them now.
Westwood High School, we'd like your contribution towards rebuilding our kitchen and our dining room. We're having we're having our homecoming dinner party and tea, and also a tea party. You can contribute. It's even $1,000.
You go for a country?
Yes, we have.
Alright, so them need to go represent this, alright. Carl, go there, so I'm going to record you now. So, sis, shout out to like Glenmore people, them, man.
We got the Glenmore flag.
How much year left? Can you hold it now?
2005.
A long time that.
They tell them about it.
Oh, they tell them to start college. Oh, but me all on him.
Burning with the seal for truth. Ever seen the Westwood song? Oh, Westwood sitting there upon a hilltop.
I really hilltop, you know. You never go there.
All the ones that you have helped to build the careers of 1,000 little ones.
No, not done yet. You know, Merle Grove. You got Merle Grove. Officer, prepare for your school, you know. Big up Merle Grove there. We have a few girlfriends of Merle Grove, you know. And Westwood. We have a girlfriend of Merle Grove still. Yo, Scarlett, how is school, like, sir? Big up Woolmans, man. Chatty Woolmans people. Every day. How are you going, miss?
Thank you.
Big them up, big them up. We have a few girls up the trainer.
Yeah,
a few girls. Yeah, mad. Go.
We're not talking about teach them to talk about.
Wait, more big up Immaculate.
We're talking about news, current affairs. And not to mention the guy that does it is
Substance over hype, yeah.
Right, so you just come, be informed, and also know that.
Tell them to subscribe, like, and share.
Like, comment, follow, subscribe, share.
All of them something there.
Everything.
Mad.
Big up yourself, my brother.
Blessing, sis. Watch out now, we school you got Tira. Big up Waterford High School in our building.
Excellent always.
Mad.
Waterford High School, it's all about this school, yeah?
Yeah. Oliver, Immaculate. Hold on, Mr. Wallace.
Yes, sir.
Hold on for Manchester Eye. More say something about Manchester Eye.
I'm an immaculate girl for life.
Yes.
I'm up to the world. And that's not Terastro. Through the stars, it's excellent.
Mad.
You know what it is. Straight up and some.
Someone sitting?
Boom.
Mad. Mr. Wallace, Manchester Eye. Hold on.
Home of champions.
Home of champions.
Manchester.
Mad.
Stick yourself blocks to the world.
Mad. Alright. Kingston College. Your boyfriend got Casey.
Yes.
Oh, I see. Gaza, man. Your time. Where you say now?
Hear me now. Herbert Marshall Technical High School.
Herbert Marshall.
HSHS.
Man.
Strength and perseverance. Look at my shorts.
Which high school you go? Big it up.
Look at my teeth. It is
Waterford
green.
High.
Yeah, which high school you go? Which high school you go? Oi! Say something about your high school. Yeah, what about it? Just Pembroke also. The best band. The best choir. The best choir. The choir. Ah, which high school you go?
Bring up them the high school.
Them the high school. A good school. A good school. A good school. A good school. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Chat to them. Tell them something.
Alright. Big up Monroe College.
Yes.
The all boys school.
Yeah.
Next to all girls school.
Yes.
We're in school college.
Yes.
Alright.
Yes.
And because we need Monroe.
Yeah.
We need a big man.
Alright, sir. Let's see our word. Mad. Tell them something more, man. Go over there, man. Anything you want. The biggest and the best. You know nothing else you want to say.
Number one.
Yeah, enjoy Teachers Day.
Of course.
You don't feel like you don't want to have a Teachers Day every term.
Every week.
Every week. Cocky, the man, then give the girls cocky, you understand? Sis, big up yourself now, ready up. Tell them something about your high school.
I went to the Miramont High School.
Yeah, tell them something about it.
Very cool.
Very cool.
Very
nice young ladies.
Cool girl, Catholic.
So, hail up to all of the Miramont people who watch them, man.
Okay.
Big up on the damn
All
self.
of the St. Mary people,
Yes.
especially the Miramont High School teachers and ladies. Big up on yourself.
Ladies, you see that youth here? He's a teacher. When you look upon him, like he's a model, don't Tell them something about your high school, sir.
In can't see in contacts drop out.
Which high school?
Charlie Mount.
Charlie Mount. Tell them something about it. I saw up all school.
Yeah, man.
All
Yeah,
right.
man. Charlie Mount in a Lindsay, you know?
Yeah. The girls, them want to hear something from you now. Tell them.
Where girls them want you?
Me don't know, sir. Me don't know you want to tell them. Tell them to like and subscribe to teach them,
My
man.
number is 862.
Yes. Finish it, man. Finish it, man. 862 WhatsApp.
Guess the rest, for.
Guess the rest. All right. 119. Miss Bernard, tell them something about your high school where you're going, man. Yeah. Tell them something about it, man.
You never went, don't do that. Don't do it.
Shout out to Chris McQueen, the Matter
It's a
McQueen.
splendid love fest.
That man.
Let your
A
life
city, man. You miss. How is school you go?
Big up Jonathan.
How is school at?
Shut your mouth.
How are you?
It's better than Taki.
Yeah, it better
And
than
at least we did CXC there.
One of the say, SCC me no man. That's the word. That's the word. You see me? Let's power row. How is school you go, man? Well, I'm not ready for you. Jago. You say no school at, sir?
Of course, the school of the track athletes.
We say which school again?
Yes, school for you and Blake.
Yeah.
Of course.
Michaela Schmid did go so.
Yeah,
Michaela Schmid go there too. Tell them something else, man.
Yeah, St. Diego High.
So big up all of the St. Diego High people that may watch your thing, man.
Yeah.
Mad.
Big up. Olympians. You know, we rule.
Dog, finish it up, man, on my yacht.
Like and
Yeah, take bad up, you know. Subscribe. Alright, sir, that's the alright. Come on. So something about your high school, man.
Hey, big up Ballins High School from Clarendon. Yes, especially Palmer Smart. Yes, and the #1 middle distance school in Jamaica.
In our bush.
Biggest, and it's not a bush, with the biggest female coach, Mrs. Megan Wilson Copeland. Big up yourself.
Mad.
Big up yourself.
So you say you enjoy teachers there?
Yes, I'm enjoying it.
You don't feel like you want one of them there every term?
Yes, and I'm enjoying the fact that I'm not at school.
But I'll tell you about it. Alright. Big up yourself, Miss Palmer. Man, tell them something about Waterford, no, man. Best school. Miss Picari, tell the world what school you go, man.
Waterford High School.
At that school you go?
Only the best.
So
Excellence always.
Which school did you attend as a high school student, miss?
Herbert Morrison High
Tell them
School.
something more about Morrison, man.
Herbert Morrison, the best in the West.
Best in the
Technical
West.
High School, of course.
Miss Bukal, tell them which high school you gonna, man. Morant Bay, tell them something about Morant Bay, no, man. Mad. Shout out all of the people them from Morant Bay, no, man.
All my big people, the best, my brothers and I, went to Morant High.
Man.
School in Portmore, and we're here at the lovely, luxurious campus here on Jewels in Runaway Bay.
Yeah,
Woo!
so tell them which high school you go.
My past high school?
Yes.
Oh, you know my...
Go on, Miss World.
What the word name again?
Alma Mater.
My alma mater, the Geisel High School.
Shout out to all of the people who go Geisel High School.
Big up to all the people them who go Geisel High School where you don't know education is the key.
Simple.
Yes, simply. I mean
Mad.
so that 5, your girl, yeah.
Mad.
I'm out.
You know, I be a madness in a place. So when I say food, liquor, slide, beach, everything. The ladies them turn up. You know, you have to introduce yourself to a few ladies them. You know, I think set to the same. I say, can't listen do that. I don't know, I think so we grew. Yeah, so I say. So I don't know. I don't know if they want to come in there, sir. Yeah, understand me. I say, YouTube, them I go up on there, sir. So I don't know if they want to go up on YouTube. I work, you know, you understand? So, yeah, so I go peeps. You see me, and everybody we can get in, I think, and everybody, you know, some people and them past and them church and them things, you know, them in a bad suit and then something there. So I say, so you go.
Big up what high school we come from.
Which high school at?
Which school again? Oh, I Charlie, no, I'm represent Charlie. CHS, Mashdong.
How is school at?
Charlie
Charlie Mount. I saw a Powell School.
Eagles for life.
Alright. So shout out everybody who got Charlie Mount High School.
Big up everybody who got Charlie Mount. You don't know much of
Alright.
KC in a full
True,
challenge.
true. Ivy, sort out yourself. In a good school, man.
Yeah, my child, man, big up my school.
Eh? Big up your high school.
Teach high school.
One
One teach.
teach.
One teach.
Nothing else? Shout out everybody who got Teach Shield, man.
By excellence. Teach field.
Tell them to watch and like and subscribe to teach them, man.
Teach them. Good
Man.
boy, yeah.
Scotty, chat to your people,
Yeah,
them.
big up Jonathan Grant Height. I don't know the thing. Big up my friend Swan, my friend Sarah. You know
Swan and Brittany?
No, Swan
Me, I want her number.
Yeah, you can get her
Alright,
number.
I see a word.
Big up Rochelle, yeah. Big
Yeah.
up my baby father Supreme, you know your Lord.
But bad, sir. Open internet now, watch it.
One more time, I say, it came into a portrait.
Scott, I say bread for me. You not done yet? Yeah, look who
So watch you know. Sleepy dog are sleep, you know. A beer eat dog eat from morning, you know. You understand? Sleepy must sleep. Say me and say, you see. My youth, wake up, man. Big up your high school where you go. Waterford High School. Tell them something about it, man. My little sister,
Yes, big brother.
she is from the Westwood High School.
Yeah.
One of the SE lady that
Very.
institution that produced.
Yes,
She
yes.
wasn't one of my girlfriends, but she's my sister. Understand? Wonderful lady. She's a motivator, mentor. Understand?
Blush up. You're going to tell me what you're going to say.
Really love her.
Aww.
You big up yourself and I
Thank
love
you,
her.
brother. Love you too.
Yeah, slippers here. A long time I don't see them, I show them.
Yeah, man.
Let me show them over slippers. I girl, we got immaculate. We see her there. See her face there. Our slippers are immaculate though. See her there. Yeah, but fear one still at work. Fear one still at work. I told them clean. See them. See them. Let me show the car show to them, sir. Alright. We call it. Yeah. But fear one at work.
Yeah, them a work.
Oh, let's. Mind a John with a belly there now. Mind a John.
Michael days today and now.
Mad I mean.
You don't know anything set up in a
Tell them which batch the man.
Batch 170.
Simple. Big up dog man and all that man, you know,
All
man.
of the youth them from Glen straight up, big up on yourself.
Yeah.
Michael represent.
Mad.
Peace out, happy Teachers
Mad.
Day. So all
Manners, bro, manners.
Alright, hear me I say now, the pan jewels and we I say right now, big up Old Harbour High, OHHS, the big place, you see me I say? I say 33 South Street, Old Harbour. Right now we I say, big up to Waterford High School just the same, you know, the teaching staff, the entire family. They say one love. I say, yo, ranking pumpkin. And
No, please, so. Pam, 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 pam. Babes, when I see that girl there, I want to sexiest girl in the world. You see me? I'm not showing the rest of her body still because her husband, you understand? But trust me, if she ain't married, or they my girl, you see me? Real black, beautiful empress. Molo, you love the people them again, no, man.
Big up yourself. Big up Waterford. Big up Stets. Yeah.
Oh, you never big up Stets yet?
No.
Yeah, man, tell them something about Stets, the man.
Stets is the most beautiful school in St. Elizabeth. When you say Stets, you say beauty. Stets, the lodge.
So you love all the people in Stets.
Michael, your lodge too.
See, pam, 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 pam. Do it with thy might.
Yeah.
Simple and all. Run. So peeps, you know what this, you know? See me, frost out, hold their jewels, volleyball, food, rum, everything, slide pole, you don't know anything go. Teachers Day come and gone, one more day. I wish we have one of these every term. So me I said, but we have to give thanks. Tomorrow we are back with the business of educating the nation's youth, trying to develop each youth in our presence as best as possible. You see me I said, so this is just me saying to every teacher out there, go and put in the work. We know it's difficult, we know it's challenging, but we're called for this. We have to keep doing it. You understand what I say? Every nation is going to suffer. This is Steve saying until next time. Let's see what they first one. Day well spent. We need one of them there once every term.
I don't know why you're saying it out loud.
Once every term. Yeah, that's that. So, you know, put in work from Monday to Friday every week. So the voice all gone. You see me, I say, be a niceness. You see me? I just want them things the peeps really enjoy yourself. They say me upon real way. Yeah, that's when I put in work and try to develop yourself holistically. You deserve a good break. You see me?
Ready?
Right, see my brother, this Manuel boy. You understand? Baller, general, toppling.
Just
See me, I
want
say,
to just want to
see me, boy beat me in a pool today. Show me rusty seal. I've done him one of them days there. You see me, I say, volleyball, me lose some win some. Why me ask you, dog? I can't find you. I mean, and Jones are try to rescue the team. I tell you. You see me, I say, so, the junk. Why me I tell you, I'm not junk still, but the tired. So, peeps, it was a good day. I'm not lie. See me day well spent, you know, back on the plantation tomorrow. We have to do still. Someone big up all our subscribers, all of the viewers them. Without that thing possible, so I do that thing for me. You know, I sound like something, I go on the road and show me what go on the road. So that me I do right. And I say, Oliver, tell the people if you big up them damn self, said we, man.
Big up your damn self.
So you don't know about people, road blog, teachers there, teach them, checking out, signing out, and as Miss Oliver said, big up on the damn self. Oh.
Remember to like, share, subscribe. This is Steve saying, until next time, walk good.